Anytime somebody comes to you with a problem, the goal is to figure out a way to make that person responsible for taking the next step. Don't give in to the temptations of being the expert. Instead, your first thought should be, what steps could this person take to solve their own problem? It could be to contact another department, at the very least to gather more information for you so that you can better understand what is going on. When a salesperson tries to hand off one of their problems to me, my favorite technique was to ask what I call the 2 magic questions. First, what have you done about it so far? Second, what do you think ought to be done? These 2 simple questions have totally transformed the productivity of many sales managers with whom I've worked. Be sure to use the links on this page to check out my new online course for sales managers.